Do you hear me? This
So,
is not
okay,
an underwear.
let's cut the whole story short.
Yes.
We've got a right of admission. I don't condone this in my mall, so you can look who maybe.
I'm saying here it's in Africa.
Yeah, this is Africa. Then you can't tell someone what to do or what to wear at which mall.
It's a public place.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
You are dressing decently.
Oh, this is not decently. This is not decently. That's what you're saying. This is not. This is not.
Because I'm wearing African attire.
This is what you are trying to say. This is not decent.
It's not decent.
Oh, the way you wear it now is decent. That's what we call decent.
You are wearing Western. I'm wearing African.
This is African.
Africa.
This is African.
Call Gigi.
Yeah, call Gigi to come.
Call Gigi. Call Gigi.
You're telling me I'm not supposed to wear African in Africa.
I'm saying.
What I'm saying.
Oh.
This is a public place. You can practice what you
It doesn't matter. We have a right to wear what we want to wear. You don't have to explain to us what.
I'm not allowing that. This is my mall.
This is your mall. Okay, nice then.
Right of admission, it's reserved.
For who?
For who? For who? For who?
It's there when you enter.
Yeah, but you're not saying if you're wearing your traditional stuff.
Yes, yes.
No, just goes off and then he can do whatever he do. He's walking around Momola. So
This is traditional. This is traditional. Mhlobo bani? Mhlobo bani? Umntwana West. What a disappointment.
I'm not gonna argue with you, Wences. You can
Yeah,
take
man,
your
come on
camera
now.
or whatever, but all that I'm saying
Okay, nice.
guys, don't
Hello.
sell them whatever they wanna buy. They must just leave the
Huh? But